Members of the Notre Dame Marching Band are giving back by teaching their trade to students. It's called BandLink, and the university's marching band has teamed up with the Salvation Army to pass on the love of music. WSBT's Cliff French is live in the newsroom. And Cliff, these students are learning everything from drums to the trumpet.
That's right. Now, each kid is tutored a couple times a week, learning their assigned instrument. And who better to learn from than the Notre Dame Marching Band? 4 days a week, students like these get some one-on-one with a musical expert. Today, it's all about the horns. 13-year-old Louise has been playing the trumpet for about 2 years, learning everything he knows through the Salvation Army and Notre Dame's BandLink program.
It's a good experience to learn to play an instrument.
Right now, he's trying to perfect his Notre Dame victory song with a little help from this expert, a trumpet player with the Notre Dame Band.
I love it. I just like helping people.
Notre Dame Band director Ken Dye says this program targets kids in Catholic schools that don't have music programs and kids who live on South Bend's west side. If it wasn't for this group of volunteers, most of these kids wouldn't have an opportunity to play at all.
We do this because it's the right thing to do.
Matt Merton is the assistant director with the Notre Dame Band.
Learning music is one of those things where you learn a lot of other skills at the same time. You learn discipline, you learn teamwork, you learn other things like math, just by learning how to play an instrument.
And the people who love to play are able to pass on what they love to the next generation.
I guess that's what we're all trying to do here, right? Try and instill some sort of passion, some goal that they can look forward to.
All right, now the goal of BandLink is to get an entire band ready to perform for the grand opening of the Salvation Army Kroc Center, which will open in 2012. And according to officials with the Salvation Army, this program is getting some national attention within the organization. There could be some plans to spread this idea to other Salvation Army communities with universities nearby that have marching bands.
Yeah, wouldn't that be wonderful? Cliff French in the newsroom tonight. Thank you, Cliff.